Good day po sir, I'm Alexis Carl Estalusan, student from Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Institute of Technology, Section and Year DSET 32. So, binigyan po kami ng task ni sir para sa aming final sa software design, and ito po yung mga questionnaire and guidelines. Create a 20 minutes reflection video for the below items and upload them in YouTube and attach only the link. AWS Cloud Practitioner Tutorial, attach video. What is cloud infrastructure? Cloud infrastructure is a term used to describe the components needed for cloud computing, which includes hardware, abstracted resources, storage, and network resources. Think of cloud infrastructure as the tools needed to build a cloud. So, the next one po is databases. Ang database, a cloud database is a database service that is produced and accessible via the internet. It performs many of the same tasks as a traditional database, but with the extra benefit of cloud computing flexibility. To implement the database, users installs software on a cloud infrastructure. Ito po yung cloud computing. Yung cloud computing po refers to the on-demand availability of computer system resources, particularly data storage and computational power without the user having to manage them directly. Functions in large are frequently dispersed across numerous locations, each of which is a data center. Ito naman po yung EC2 na component nito. Web Services AWS Cloud. EC2 provides scalable computing power. Using EC2 reduces the requirement for upfront hardware investment, allowing you to develop and deploy apps more quickly. EC2 allows you to create as many or as few virtual servers as you need, as well as establish security, networking, and manage storage. You can scale up or down on Amazon EC2 to manage variations in demand or popularity spikes, decreasing the need to forecast traffic. So the next one is pricing model. Ang ano po dito, parang strategy you can use to establish the optimal price for your products are referred to as pricing model. Price models involve aspects like the cost of manufacturing an item, the customer assessment of its worth, and the type of product. For example, retail product versus services. As simple as that po. Ito po yung parang different method sa pricing. Price scheming, market penetration pricing, premium pricing, economy pricing, bundle pricing, value-based pricing, dynamic pricing. Ito naman po yung S3. Is an object storage service with industry-leading scalability, data availability, security, and performance. Customer of all sizes and sectors can store and protect nearly any amount of data for use cases including excuse me. May sakit po kasi ako. Data lakes, cloud native apps, and mobile apps. You can optimize expenses, organize data, and establish fine-tuned access restrictions to suit a specific business, organizational and compliance requirements with cost-effective storage, classes, and easy-to-use management tools. Ito naman po yung sa AMI or Amazon Machine Image. The information needed to launch an instance is included in an Amazon Machine Image or AMI, which when launching an instance, you must specify an AMI. When you require numerous instances with the same configuration, you can launch them all from a single AMI. When you need instances all from a single AMI, when you need instances with varied configurations, you can utilize different IMIs to start them. AWS Lambda is a serviceless event-driven computing solution that allows you to run code for almost any form of application or backend service without having to provision or manage servers. Over 200 AWS service and software as a service SaaS apps can trigger Lambda, and you can only pay what you use. Ito po yung number 2. What is agile development process and how it used in modern tech development? Agile, sometimes written agile, practices in software development include requirements, discovery, and solution. Improvement through a collaborative effort of self-organizing and cross-functional teams with their customers and users, adaptive planning and evolutionary development, early delivery, continuous improvement, and flexible responses to change in requirements, capacity, and understanding of the problems to be solved. So paano nga daw po siya nagagamit sa modern technology? Or ano po yung benefits niya? DevOps in modern technology management. DevOps is a set of practices that combine software development and IT operations. It aims to shorten the system's development lifecycle and provide continuous delivery with a high software quality. DevOps is complementary with Agile software development. Several DevOps aspects came from the Agile methodology. Ito naman po yung software development lifecycle develops. DevOps cycle is defined as a combination of different phases of continuous software development, integration, testing, deployment, and monitoring. A competent DevOps lifecycle is necessary to build superior quality software through the system. And, DevOps is a collection of methods, technologies, and a mindset that automates and integrates software development and IT teams processes. Team empowerment, cross-team communication and collaboration, and technology automation are emphasized. So, balik lang po tayo dun. Nakalimutan ko po sabihin sir kung bakit po yung Agile development ay important. Agile processes defer decisions, shorten develop cycles, and support just-in-time analysis of requests. This allows Agile teams to change quickly and at a low cost that provides a competitive advantage and is one of the keys to Agile ways of working. So, yung balik po tayo dun, yung how does DevOps work? A DevOps team includes developers and IT operation working collaboratively, meaning parang nagtutulungan po sila throughout the product life cycle. In order to increase the speed and quality of software deployment, it's a new way of working, a cultural shift that has significant implications for teams and organizations they work for. Under a DevOps model, development and operations teams are no longer siloed. Sometimes these two teams merge into a single team where the engineers work across the entire application lifecycle, from development and test to deployment and operation, and have a range of multidisciplinary skills. Sorry sir, may sakit po kasi ako kaya ganito po yun, parang may sipon po. So, ito ba nakalimutan ko? Balik po tayo dun sa DevOps in Modern Technology Management. Reduce IT costs. Moving to cloud computing may reduce the cost of managing and maintaining your IT systems rather than purchasing expensive systems and equipment for your business. You can reduce your cost by using the resources of your cloud computer service provider. You may be able to reduce your operating costs. Business continuity. Protecting your data and system is an important part of business continuity planning. Whether you experience a natural disaster, power failure, or other crisis, having your data stored in the cloud ensures it is backed up and protected in a secure and safe location. Being able to access your data again quickly allows you to conduct business as usual, minimizing any downtime and loss of productivity. Collaboration efficiency. In a cloud environment gives your business the ability to communicate and share more easily outside of the traditional methods. If you are working on a project across different locations, you could use cloud computing to give employees, contractors, and third parties access to same files. You could also choose a cloud computing model that make it easy for you to share your records with your advisors. Flexibility of work practices. Cloud computing allows you employees to be more flexible in their work practices. For example, you have the ability to access the data from home, on holiday, or via the commute to and from work, providing you have an internet connection. Sorry sir. Parang raw video na lang po kasi may sakit po talaga ako sir. If you need access to your data while you are off-site, you can connect to your virtual office quickly and easily. So, yun po ang aking video para po sa software design finals. Sorry po sir sa mga mistake and sir, may sakit po talaga kasi masama po yung pakiramdam. Pasensya na po. Thank you sir for your consideration po. Thank you sir.